How to set mobile hotspot band to 2.4 GHz or 6 GHz or on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and you will see first option is Connections. After click on connection, click on mobile hotspot and retring. After click on mobile hotspot and retring, click on mobile hotspot. After click on mobile hotspot, you will see click on band. After click on band, you will see compatibility preferences here. If you want to set mobile hotspot compatibility and preference, band to 2.4 GHz or 6 GHz. So you will see. So after adjust 2.4 Hz or 5 Hz, after the process go back to home screen. So that's how you can set mobile hotspot band to 2.4 GHz or 6 GHz on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.